Let's solve the quadratic equation x squared plus 4x plus 8 equals 0 using the quadratic formula. First, let's recall that a quadratic equation has the general form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Comparing our equation to the general form, we can identify that a equals 1, b equals positive 4, and c equals positive 8. Now, let's recall the quadratic formula. X equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 ac all over 2a. Let's substitute our values. Negative 4 plus or minus the square root of 4 squared minus 4 times 1 times 8 all over 2 times 1. Let's simplify step by step. First, let's simplify inside the square root. 4 squared is 16, and 4 times 1 times 8 is 32. Simplifying further under the square root, 16 minus 32 equals negative 16. Since we have the square root of a negative number, this means our solution will be complex. Remember, the square root of negative 16 can be written as 4i, where I is the imaginary unit. Simplifying our fraction, we get x equals negative 2 plus or minus 2i. Therefore, our two complex solutions are x equals negative 2 plus 2i and x equals negative 2 minus 2i. Let's visualize what this means on a graph. Since both solutions are complex, this parabola never crosses the x-axis. The vertex of the parabola is at x equals negative 2, and the parabola opens upward because the coefficient of x squared is positive. In summary, when we solve a quadratic equation and get complex solutions, it means the parabola never intersects the x-axis, and therefore has no real roots.